Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English. First of all, I'd like to say thank you to everyone because this month we've reached 14,000 subscribers. That's awesome! Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. This year's goal is 20,000 subscribers. Can you help out? If you like my lessons here, tell your friend. If you hate my lessons here, tell people you don't like. Just kidding. Okay, now let's get to today's English lesson. A lot of English learners have trouble using the word care. We've got care for, care about, I don't care for, would you care for, I couldn't care less. Oh my goodness, there are so many ways that we use the word care in English. I know that can be a little bit confusing, so for today's English lesson, let's check it out. We use care about something to show that something is important for us. These days, many people care about the environment. Jenny cares about her appearance, so she goes to the salon every week. I know you guys care about learning English because you're watching this video. You can also say that you care about someone, and this means that you have feelings of affection for that person. Joe really cares about Linda. I think they'll get married. Elsa told Rick that she cares for him very much. Do you know how much I care about you? We also use care for when we talk about living things like plants or animals or people. Take care of has the same meaning as care for. I can say caring for an animal is hard work, or taking care of an animal is hard work. Angela is caring for her 95-year-old grandmother, or Angela takes care of her 95-year-old grandmother. Jane cares for her garden every day after work, or Jane takes care of her garden every day after work. We use would you care for as a polite way to offer something. Would you care for a glass of iced tea? Would you care for some dessert? Would you care for tea or coffee? We use don't care for as an indirect way to say I don't like that. I don't care for horror movies. I really don't care for raisins. I think Jack doesn't care for sugar in his coffee. Next, we use be careful or be careful of to mean be cautious or avoid a bad situation. Please be careful of the ice when you drive in the snow. The doctor told me I need to be careful about the food I eat. Please be careful when you pour the wine near that white carpet. Don't spill it. As a greeting, take care has 3 meanings. Goodbye, be cautious, and stay healthy. Thanks for coming. Take care and have a good trip. It's raining hard outside, so take care. Oh, you've caught a cold? Take care. We also use take care of to mean handle or deal with or even repair something. For the big meeting, I'm taking care of the marketing report and Jenny is taking care of the sales report. Ooh, I think we need to take care of that leaking roof. I need to take care of some accounting work this afternoon. And finally, we use I could care less or I couldn't care less to mean it's not important to me. I couldn't care less and I could care less have the same meaning. There's a new Godzilla movie? I could care less. I could care less about football. I'm a baseball fan. Joe's having a party? I couldn't care less. I can't stand that guy. All right, that's it for today's English lesson. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to leave a comment with one of these phrases And I'll catch you guys next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.